Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can easily create a curved text on Canva. So go to text and add a heading and page locked. And I'm just going to type in curved, and I'm also going to change the font. This is optional, but I'm going to just change it. You can also change the font color if you want. And you're then just going to go to effects and you're going to select curve. Now here you can adjust how curved that you want the text to be. I'm just going to go with like this one, maybe like around 70, and I'm going to copy and paste it. Oops. And I'm going to go to effects again, and I'm going to curve it the other way around, so it creates this really cool kind of wavy text. But that's pretty much it, really. It is super simple to do, but it creates this like cool curved text effect. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!